Hello everyone! Today we will be making and decorating the cake cosmos. First, we will be preparing vanilla cake. Cut the cakes into squares that are 15 by 15 centimeters and cut them in half.
Onto each slice of cake, please place the syrup from the peach can onto it. If you don't have that syrup, you can use any kind of syrup that you would like. Now, you will need to place some cut canned peaches on top. If you don't have canned peaches, then you can use any other kind of fruit that you would like.
Place another cake, syrup, cream cheese and peaches. Do this until the height of your cake is 16 centimeters. I also put syrup on the top one as well. The prepared cake needs to be wrapped in plastic wrap so it doesn't dry.
Onto the cake, please place an object about 500 grams in weight. With that object, leave it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 6 hours. We recommend leaving it in overnight. You do this so when you are assembling the cake does not crack.
I left the cake overnight in the refrigerator. Now we will need to take off the plastic wrap from the cakes. Currently, I cover the entire cake in chocolate ganache. I use butter-based chocolate ganache. I just prepare the chocolate ganache so it is still liquid. It is easier for me to work with. Because the cake is cold, the ganache hardens quickly.
After you have put on the first layer of ganache, put your cake into the refrigerator for a minimum of 30 minutes. Then take it out and put some ganache on the cake board. Then put your cake on your cake board. Currently, you will need to level out your cake with ganache and put it back in the refrigerator.
While the cake is in the refrigerator, we will need to prepare the cream for the cake. You can use any kind of buttercream that you like. I use Swiss meringue buttercream.
The colors of your buttercream will depend on what you think are the best colors to represent the cosmos.
Put some cream on a spatula and apply the buttercream as shown in the video. Once you have applied all of the buttercream colors, then start to smooth the surface until all of the colors start to come together.
If you would like to add another color of buttercream, don't be afraid, just add it in carefully and keep working until you are satisfied.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And a big thank you to all the people who have liked our videos, are sharing them, and are commenting on them.
For the formation of this cake I used 3 servings of vanilla cake, 2 400 ml cans of peaches, half a portion of whipped cream cheese, 1 portion of butter-based chocolate ganache, and half a portion of Swiss meringue buttercream.
If you didn't see how to make vanilla cake, chocolate ganache, Swiss meringue buttercream, or whipped cream cheese, then the links to those videos will be in the description box below for you to watch.
If you have any ideas for future videos, then please write them in the comments.
In the decorating and leveling of your cake, the most important thing is knowing when to stop. Once you are happy with your result, you can start decorating. In this step, the most important thing is your creativity and the different kinds of decorations that you use on your cake.
In the video, you can see everything that I used to decorate the cake. I used blueberries, sprinkles of a middle size and in 3 colors, decorative white sugar, small sprinkles, star sprinkles, dry silver food paint, silver and dark gold food paints.
You may have different kinds of decorations, like sprinkles, berries, other fruits, or paints, to make the imitations of stars and planets in the cosmos.
I will not be commentating for the rest of the video, so you can just watch how I decorate the cake. This is a delicious and beautiful cake that I made today. Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.